The world today recognizes Indian system of medicines as a science of healthcare, while allopathic medicines tends to focus on the management of disease. Ayurveda and Siddha provide us with the knowledge of how to prevent disease and how to eliminate its root cause of that does occur. Ayush means Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy, and Naturopathy. Except Unani, all are Indian origin. Siddha in Tamil Nadu, with the 15 Siddha shares developed this system. Herbal, not chemical combination are used primarily for Siddha system of treatment. Siddha is an ancient system of medical practiced by the people of India. There is no side effect. Siddha and combination of this taking balanced food itself a medicine. The Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Bill seeks to confer the status of a constitution of national importance to 3 institutes which would be clubbed. Once again, it will be established in the favored state of the ruling party. That is in Gujarat. There are so many Ayurvedic institutions across the country, especially in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Bengaluru, and the famous Kottakkal Vaidyasala in Kerala. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, through you, what is the reason behind such an arbitrary selection of institutes for granting the national status? What parameters were taken into account for selection of these institutes? The aim of the proposed bill is to empower the institute into becoming the most important center in its field. Why is such a step being taken, especially in the state of Gujarat and not in the places where better institute of Ayurveda exists? There is a post of joint medical controller in Siddha, but only from Ayurveda. The person is taken from the post and the writ petition filed in the High Court against it. So the government is trying to let down the Siddha system, which is hailing from Tamil Nadu.
Right, Shanmugamji.
Siddha medical formulation may be very tough, but it is very useful from the Siddha medical formulation. Many allopathic medicines have been introduced, especially in Gujarat, and that too in Ayurveda. What is the reason for bringing such a special bill when all system of medicines are important? With coordinated efforts with all the system of medical practices, all the systems should be developed. The central government is making the slogan like be vocal, buy local, Atmanirbhar.
Thank you, Shanmugamji.
And
Please conclude.
Yes, sir, I am concluding. The government should come forward to give equal opportunity all the system, and no one should be discriminated against it. Equal rights should be given to all the system of Indian medicine systems should be encouraged. Thank you, sir.